Welcome to Leader Day number 21. So today there is a opportunity to showcase your comic ability or make a fun stream, or you can goof around while you're walking around in your office or at the home. But you have already done 20 days, so you are getting some confidence in how to use the cameras, the iPhones in your video making. So now's a chance to make something a little bit different and showcase and gives a fun moment for your audience. So these are all the different ways how you can, so they can get to know you a little bit better. And just give it a try. The topic can be anything you want, and make it fun. And either you tell a funny story or a funny incident that has happened to you, or just an anecdote, or just walk around, show people around some fun things that you have. That's the way you can do this challenge. So today is the fun live stream, so good luck, and I really look forward to seeing your fun videos. And to see you tomorrow for day 22.